two strikers. Sundowns, they don't play with two strikers. This would have been Matthews here. If it's not Matthews, it's either Santos. He would have been here. Dangerous player, number 40. He always comes in deep. If he's not going to come in deep, he's going to come out wide. And they are number 11. Those are I think, the two most dangerous players. Lento le twe yabukekana. Lento yabukekana yokuthi banga clear ibhola kahle. This team will punish them. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Today's video is about a Champions League final game between Sundowns and AS FAR. I'm going to be showing you what Sundowns should expect from them, right? I watched the first leg live 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. Then I was like, I don't think Sundowns will win, especially performance in the past week or two. But after analyzing the first leg and the second leg, if this team plays the same way that they have been playing with their formation 4-4-2, then Sundowns should win the Champions League final easily. But one thing that they have to do to win this, especially the first game, easily, is to keep the ball and rotate the ball. There's nothing wrong with their formation in 4-4-2, right? The problem is their zonal marking. They give space kuma passing lanes. I'm going to show you. So how I'm going to show you in this clip, I'm going to show you their setup, home and away. Then I'll show you their attack, home and away, right? But Sundowns, they have to keep the ball. If they don't do that, they have to keep the ball in long spells. Like I always say, you must rotate the ball. It must go to the right, it must come to the left. If they do that, then they can win easily, because these teams, the North African teams, they're not used to teams that like to keep the ball. Even in the semi-final, the other team, they will play directly. I'll also show you their dangerous players. Now, let's start, right? AS FAR, it's the guys in white. So they were being attacked. Now, Bayernzani, they're gonna clear the ball. In this clip, I'm just gonna show you their setup, their formation. And now they clear the ball. Ball will go back to the defenders. Now they are dangerous player. Okay, let me not tell you who their dangerous player now, but it's the number 40. They are a team, home or away. They are a team that likes to press. They will press you. If they press Sundowns, they don't know how to press properly, right? Even the other team, Ipekan, they don't know how to play from the back. If this team keeps on playing like this, because already here there is a lot of space, and you'll find Umukwena or Adams or Allende or Santo. They give space. There are two midfielders. I'll show you in another video, because here they press, then ball goes out. They are a team, home and away, that will press you. Another clip here about how they set up, right? This is still away. This is still away. Now, this is the two strikers. But this guy, I'll show you in another clip. Sometimes he comes in the midfield, right? I don't know what he plays as a 10 or what, but I don't think he plays as a 10. But now we're just looking at the setup here. These are the two central midfielders. Watch. 10, the space. Now, you see the Ipekani, these two strikers. Sundowns, they don't play with two strikers. This would have been Matthews here. If it's not Matthews, it's either Santos. He would have been here. This team, they give you space in the middle. If they are going to play like this, then Sundowns should comfortably win, especially their first game. Let's say first game. right? But this team could have played the ball here. Ibekane, they are not a team that likes to play short passes because now they didn't utilize the space. What they like to do, they play ball long, right? Sundowns has to keep the ball is cut a seat and not rush things. This team bakatala easily. One thing that I noticed. Now let me show you their setup when they play at home. It's the same. They play the same way. It's a 4-4-2. They play the same way. They're a team that does not mind pressing you. They will press you, but when they press and give you space. Already, look at this space. Already, there's too much space. The first minute of the game, already there's too much space in the middle, right? Sundowns needs to keep the ball. They need to keep the ball. Let me show you the final clip of their setup. When you keep the ball, what happens to them? When you keep the ball long enough, they will open up, right? They are not fast. They are attacking players, the 4 attacking players and the 2 central midfielders. They are not fast. I mean, abana speed, right? Now just watch. If you keep the ball, space is ovulea. So I just hope they've seen this and they are going to keep the ball. Sundowns. My valegile mpanagiti, Sky Forster. The ball is on the left hand side. Valegile, we take it to the other side. This team is not a good Ibekane. They are not a good ball passing team. But still, they were able to find spaces, right? They were able to find space. Just keep the ball. If you valegile mpanagiti, Sky Forster mpanagiti, skabamzegezege. Just keep the ball. Space is of somehow because they don't know how to press. You see this guy is standing in the row. You can't press there. He's supposed to be here. They don't know how to press. You have to keep, even if you keep the ball for 3 minutes, even if that it means good, we keep the ball for 3 minutes, you just keep it. You don't rush. I say rush hour mo. I wanna take China, Chris Tucker mo. Then this team they play it long. They're impatient. Fine, sharp. Now look what happens. They played it long and it. Now look where space is so good. Because what? Their players, they Seba Cartel, they can't chase Iskate City. Sundowns has to keep the ball Iskate City. If they do that, another star is loading. If they keep the ball long enough, it wouldn't do justice just to show you their weakness, right? Now I'm gonna show you when they attack. Their dangerous players are the 4. There are 2 strikers and there are 2 wingers. But the most dangerous guy, it's the left winger and the number 40. The number 40 plays as let me say he plays as a number 10 because sometimes he just comes in the midfield and afunu connect, right? Last they were defending. Now they will play. They don't mind playing the ball straightforward. But if you think about the North African teams, more bigger their style of play. You think Guti they like to play crosses? No. Or crosses in the air. This team does not play crosses in the air. If they are going to cross it, they are going to cross it Liamba pants. And I'm just going to show you a few short clip, right? This is their number 40. This guy is the dangerous guy. This one is the dangerous guy. Good defending here. Let me show you another clip. They like to attack on the left hand side, right? They win the ball here. Dangerous player, number 40. He always comes in deep. If he's not gonna come in deep, he's gonna come out wide. And they are number 11. Those are the 2 most dangerous players. Wow. One last clip of them attacking on the left-hand side, right? This was their away game. Angithi, sharp. Number 11 and number 40. Don't forget, this is number 11, this is number 40. Ball goes where? To number 40. Very smart player, this one. Remember what I said, Wuti, they are a team that plays crosses, but not Emoyeni. They are not your typical North African teams. Angithi. They are not your typical, if you go to Pyramids, Al Ahly, they don't mind playing the ball Emoyeni. But first pass, Bafethu, good cross. They don't mind playing the ball straight down the line. So Umutiba or Mutau, they need to be alert. They are also good via counter-attack. They are number 40, I repeat. Number 40 is very dangerous. Technically, these teams are very good. Just one touch, two touch, Bapumile. It's just that this guy, their front or their attacking players have speed. I think that's one of their weakness. Yaba limit. Guys, AS FAR is not a team that plays crosses Emoyeni. They actually don't play a lot of crosses. But I'm not saying Gucci they're not gonna play crosses. Because if they play crosses, you said this and that. Now let me show you another clip. If they do play crosses, it's down on the ground. It's a low cross. They actually pass the ball. Great opportunity there. I am not saying Gucci they are not going to play Emoyeni, but so far from the past two games, they hardly play crosses. When they play them on the ground. The one fear, right? I don't know if it's one or two, but the problem is Sundowns of giving balls in dangerous areas and doing silly mistakes at the back. Right? I'm gonna show you both their goals in this game now. If you look at the tournament, right, they are not a team that scores a lot of goals, right? I think group stages they scored about 3 goals. Group stages in 6 games they scored about 3 goals, right? Lento Sundowns yabo Mukwena of giving balls in the middle, they are not supposed to do it against this team. If they do this, especially if you watch the last game against ETX Galaxy, Omukwena gave the ball away in these type of areas. This team gives the ball away again, they score. That's the only problem that I have with Sundowns, just giving the ball away in crucial areas. This team will punish you. Let me show you the last goal. Final clip, bese ngiyayivala. Long pass. This is their number 40. Number 40 likes to come in the middle. Remember number 40. Angithi. There's a guy that they put in second half, number 8. He's the one that scores the goal. Now watch. Far in between spaces. Phakathi. Inside. Phakathi. Inside. Lento le thwe yabukekana. Lento yabukekana yokuthi bangahleri ibhola kahle. This team will punish them. They need to avoid giving silly goals. If they avoid giving the ball away in crucial positions and then they clear ibhola kahle, I promise you they are going to win this game. They have to keep the ball in long spells. Even if it's Albamba for 2 minutes, I see Pambil or I see Emapalin. It's okay. Keeping the ball, you are opening spaces and then by a Katala. They have to avoid doing silly mistakes at the back. If they do that, they are going to win the Champions League. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga.